Junkyard Junkie back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to touch up paint that may have chipped away or maybe you got in a little bit of an accident. This is for touch up jobs, so stay tuned. So looking at this car, as you can see, it's got these spots where the paint is just chipping away. It also has a little bit of damage right over here. We're going to touch that up today. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and just open up your door. So you want to look at the sticker that has your VIN on it. It also has a lot of other information about your car. Right here it says EXT PNT, that's exterior paint. It's T8. So once you have the code for the paint, you can look it up with a quick Google search. Mine comes out to be tungsten gray metallic. Okay, so then you can just go on Amazon or just eBay or wherever you go to find that exact paint. I have mine right here, went ahead and ordered it. And you can either get a touch-up pen or you can get a bottle like I did. I usually get the touch-up pen, but this time I figured I would try out the bottle. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and spray it down with soapy water and then wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth, and then we'll go ahead and apply it. Also, no matter what you get, shake it up well, and you always kind of want to test it on like some cardboard or something just to make sure it's going to line up good. So this comes with an applicator. You just want easy coats. Just blend it right in with the paint you already have. As you can see, it's already looking a lot better. And this can go for any little dings you may have got on the highway where rocks have kicked up and hit your hood or something like that. But the first coat, you always want to go real light. Well, all the coats you want to go light and just blend it in. And if it needs more, come back in about a few hours and add it another coat. This will make it look really nice and help it blend in better. Now, is this a perfect fix? No. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that now, that 9 times out of 10 that I've used these, they don't line up 100% perfectly, but they line up good enough where it's passable and you won't really recognize it at first glance. So it's one of those things you want to do to touch up, but if you want it to be perfect, you're gonna have to go get a real paint job. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of them and show you what it looks like. Okay, now that we got all the spots painted up, you just want to wait, let it dry, and then apply more coats as needed. As it dries, it will start to look a lot better, but it will not be like the original factory paint 100%. That's why I said this is just a touch-up and not a complete fix. But I figured I'd show you this just in case you don't got the money for a paint job. You can go out and get this at your local parts store, or if not, get it online. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.